In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the EndNote site while you write add in Microsoft Word. If the EndNote tab is missing in Word, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set it up properly so Word can communicate with EndNote again. To begin, make sure Microsoft Word is fully closed. This step matters because if Word is still running in the background, the add-in may not install correctly, or the changes may not appear right away. So before moving on, close all open Word documents and exit the program completely. Next, open the EndNote application from your desktop. Once EndNote is open, you'll need to access the tool that manages its connection with Word. Look for the option called Configure EndNote. In some versions, this may be available directly inside the program. If you don't see it there, you can also run the configuration tool manually from the EndNote installation folder by opening the file called Configure EndNote. When the configuration window opens, you'll be guided through a short setup wizard. In that wizard, make sure the option for the site while you write add in for Microsoft Word is checked. This is the feature that adds the EndNote tools into Word and allows you to insert citations, manage references, and build bibliographies while you write. After confirming that option is selected, click Next and continue through the rest of the wizard to complete the setup. The process usually only takes a moment. Once it finishes, the add-in should be installed and ready to use. Now reopen Microsoft Word. After Word launches, look across the ribbon at the top of the screen. You should now see an EndNote tab available there. That confirms the cwyw write tools have been successfully added. If the tab doesn't appear immediately, try closing and reopening Word one more time. In some cases, a full restart of Word is enough to refresh the ribbon and load the add-in properly. That's it. By closing Word first, opening EndNote, running the configuration tool, enabling the site